Hello there, that's Matt Pirate's team.
Have you ever thought how can your eyes identify other faces? Well, when your eyes sees a face, it sends a signal to your brain, which looks for this face in a very huge database, which your brain stored before. Then your brain sends a signal to your eyes to make them select whether these faces belongs to family set or friend set or work colleagues. So we can say that the process of our brain is similar to the process of the advanced face recognition system. And now we're gonna talk about different recognition techniques. We managed to create identification system which could identify the person by his or her fingerprint or voice, and they are widely used. But we found that we have to work on more accurate system. So what if we made a machine that recognizes human faces?
There are two ways of recognition process. First, face identification. It represents the answer of the question, who is this person? Second, face verification. It represents the answer of the question, is this person who they say he is?
A lot of applications need our identification to work, so you will find face recognition technology in many applications around us, as Facebook Look, criminal investigation, payments, and social media.
Over years, researchers have developed many algorithms to deal with face recognition issue, but we will focus on the algorithms based on linear algebra due to their simplicity and accuracy. We have four main mathematical methods: LDA, PCA, ICA, and KPCA. And we're gonna explain the PCA technique and how we could use it for recognition process. PCA is the most common method used in face recognition technology. So, if we have a training set consists of total M images, it will be represented as vectors in A matrix. Then we have to apply dimension reduction to simplify the calculations. So we will calculate the mean of each face and get the covariance matrix by some mathematical operations. And finally, we get the eigenfaces. Now let me explain what is the eigenfaces. Eigenfaces represent the features of our face as eyes, mouth, and nose. And now we will show you our MATLAB testing code. First, we have to select an image to be recognized. In case of 2D images, the recognition function works and identifies the face and it will be shown with its information. But in case of 3D images, we have to use another function to convert the image to 2D image before recognizing it. Then it will be recognized.
Actually, we face a lot of challenges. First, variation of elimination. Performance of the system could be highly affected by variation of elimination because of the scan reflectance properties. Second, facial expression. Also, facial expression affects the system, as a lot of expressions leads to many images per same person. Third, similarity, as studying a group of images with common features like twins has a great possibility of errors. And to sum up, there are a huge number of applications that require our identification confirm, and we have a lot of methods to confirm our identity, like fingerprint and voice. In general, human face is the most distinctive feature that distinguishes one person to another, so it is necessary to have methods which can identify human face accurately and very quickly. Techniques based on linear algebra as PCA, LDA, and ICA are very important because they can obtain the best features with minimum classification error and low running time. Eventually, this video is recognized.